Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can free Lana on Dress to Impress. So you're actually going to go to a game called The Forest here, and you're just going to play that and play the maze and stuff like that. I'm not going to do a full walkthrough. And then once you've done that, you're just going to go back to Dress to Impress, and you'll be able to get the dress and free Lana. And the dress is here. As you can see, this is the Lana dress. And as you can see, it's not here. Stay in school. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.